I probably did write. Um, I don't know. I just love these two age-restricted movies a lot. I think that on a scale of 1 to 10, they are like 10 on 10. Everything was executed properly, and there was so much like I think human beings are very gray, and I think we are not complete without our grayness. And hmm, I think that these two age restricted movies are really beautiful. Yes, I think they are really beautiful. I will highlight the things which are wrong, which are very wrong. But I understood the psychology of how it all went down and how all those characters ended up having like feelings for each other despite being in a marriage, which is very wrong, and you should not do that. You should either take a divorce. Yes, do not hurt people in the process. Try not to hurt people, because I think we always hurt people somehow. We can try to not hurt them, but one way or another we always hurt people. That's why I think human beings are gray, and I think we are not complete without our grayness. So mm, anyways, so the first character is the Chinese immigrant woman from movie Obsessed. Yes, she is very beautiful, she's very gorgeous, and this military man, this soldier, gets into an affair with her. So we will not focus on him much. I will just talk about the things that I wrote, and I can obviously not talk about. I will not talk about everything, but I just have some points. So, the Chinese immigrant woman, she got married to a soldier guy, and her husband was very abusive, and he did not love her, and he was not a good man, first of all, and he intentionally got his wife's dress stitched in a certain way so that when his seniors would dance with her, so they can touch her inappropriately. So he was doing that to her. He was emotionally abusing her, yeah, and she could not escape that. So I think she was in a very uh, troublesome she was in a troublesome marriage, and she could not, like, first of all, she was a Chinese immigrant, and second of all, she was in a marriage with a Korean soldier. So China and Korea have had this war history thing, and the background is set in those wars almost. China and Korea are not on good terms, and that is why this Chinese immigrant woman gets really lonely, because the women of her town, they are, first of all, they are like very jealous of her because she's very beautiful. Yeah, yes, they are very jealous of her because she's very beautiful. And the second thing is that they hate her because she's a Chinese immigrant, so she does not find like a like-minded community. She does not find that, and this emotional abuse from her husband, so she gets stuck in that. She feels stuck in that, and she finds it very difficult to she sees no way out of it. Yeah, yes, she sees no way out of it. Now the guy that she got into the affair with, him, he's also very handsome. The cast, they have casted perfect people for these roles, because I was like, yeah, okay, I got it. So the guy who she gets into an affair with, he has his own demons. He also feels stuck, and he is married, and um his wife is beautiful. It's not that she's not beautiful. I have a very controversial opinion. uh, hmm. I think that he did not want to appear weak in front of his wife. Yes. Oh, I think he. Hmm. Yeah, he did not want to appear weak in front of his own wife. That's why he could not open up to her. He had war demons. Um, he saw a lot of mass murder, and like you are in a war, they are killing, like it is almost like a mass murder thing, and you can't do shit about it. You just have to protect yourself, you have to defend your fellow soldiers and everything. So he was not in a very good state of mind, he was not in a sane state of mind, and he would have nightmares and everything, and he could not open up to his wife properly. Yeah, yes, I think he should have opened up to her. If the soldier guy opened up to his wife, then he would not get into an affair with this girl. It does not matter how hot and beautiful she is. I think if you talk things out properly without the fear of appearing weak to another person, that is such a stupid thing. Yeah, yes, I mean, don't you want to feel closer to your wife? Don't you want her to like see you as a whole person? I think people are most men do that. Yes, they do that. They feel like I have to be this macho man, just this macho man type person, my male ego. just, just if you express what you feel, it can be a weak emotion, it can be a strong emotion, it can be the worst thing. Obviously, don't say something that can be hurtful to her. Don't say that. Like, be mindful, but just if there is something that is bothering you, if you feel stuck in any way, so the first person that you should talk to is your wife, if you are married. Yeah. So he feels stuck, and he cannot find a way to like communicate with his wife. I think the communication gap between him and his wife made space for the Chinese immigrant girl. Yeah, yes. And she also had this she was also very lonely in her marriage, so they sort of formed a connection. Yeah, yes. And the party, okay, so he finds her beautiful from the first day. He wants to be close to her. I hate it. Look at my face. I hate it because he's married, you know. It is so wrong. I genuinely believe that it is a two-way thing, and you should open up to your wife. So he could not open up to his wife, and when he saw this very beautiful Chinese immigrant, he immediately was attracted towards her. He was. She is a very beautiful, very hot, very gorgeous, just can drive a man crazy type of girl, and very beautiful body. Just, yeah, yes, it is the truth. And he goes to see her in the hospital. He gets cake for her. When you are living somewhere in the military base area, or like somewhere a little far from some kind of town, or if it is a town which is near some military base, so sometimes these things can be very expensive. I think that sometimes those yeah, yes, I think that say chocolate, or like something like I think it's sort of like a luxury to have those kind of things. So he buys this this expensive chocolate for her, and then he wants to see her again. He gets flowers for her, by the way. You did not get flower for your own wife, and you got flowers for this Chinese immigrant woman. I see you. I see you. So I find it a bit. I was like, why are you doing this? But what happened in like. Initially, she hesitated. Yeah, she did. Initially, she was hesitating to even interact with. See, the way he was looking at her, she knew that he is like, finds her beautiful and all that. So, initially, she was very, very, very hesitant. But then, what happened was that party thing. I told you her husband got her dress stitched in a certain way. She was very, very mad. The issues she had in her own marriage, so that became number one reason for her to have an affair with this guy, because she could not find an outlet. She was looking for an outlet, and she could not find an outlet. So what happens is she's dancing with seniors of her husband, and her dress got stitched in a certain way, so they were almost like they almost were inappropriate with her. But the soldier guy who she will have an affair with, he stopped that. Yes, he basically got up on stage and then he did some announcement and then he became this savior day type of guy, and which he did for his own selfish reasons. He wanted to get intimate with her. Yeah, yes. Mm. He wanted to. Yeah, he wanted to get intimate with her. He wanted to. Why does everybody want to feel loved by a beautiful woman? So he wanted to feel loved by her. He basically. I think when we see something very beautiful, we associate it with comfort for some reason. We're like, it's pretty and it will provide me with comfort, which might not be the truth, you know. We might idealize things, but it is what mostly happens. So he idealized her. She's so beautiful and it will be so comforting to have an affair with her. And she basically went into the washroom to thank him. But I know exactly why she went in there. I see you, girl. I see you. Not judging. I don't judge her. I judge him, but I don't judge her because I support women's wrongs and have fun. Yes. But just, yeah, yes. Have fun with him. But make sure that you are very clear in what you want. I think two things. Yeah. Anyways, so I think that if they did not, like, if the soldier guy opened up to his wife, then he would not feel this intense, mad obsession towards her. Oh, he's obsessed with her. In fact, after they do it the first time, in his car, yeah, when he's after that scene, when he's sitting with his friends, he is still thinking about her. In fact, he's thinking about her so much, so obsessively. Like, she has that impact on him. He keeps thinking about her, you know. He wants to be he does not want to be far from her. Yeah, yes. But I will tell you why he does not love her. Because he was not ready to leave his wife. They were living in a fantasy box. They were, both of them. It's like, she is a Chinese immigrant and she was wed in a proper family. So, and you are not ready to leave your wife. So what are you doing? What's the plan? Yeah, like, he was just seeking an outlet from his own demons. So being closer to her and using her as this comfort pillow, he could escape his own issues. He could escape his own war demons. And for the Chinese immigrant girl, she wanted to I think she was using him, yes, because she was also not going to leave her husband. So, you know, she was using him. And how I got to know that she's actually using him and she has no emotion involved with this guy, which I found really fascinating. I was like, damn, girl, you badass. Just genuinely, I was like, wow, like, okay, as a character, like, I was like, she is so interesting. And when her mother-in-law shows up, so then we see that her mother-in-law knows about the affair because he shows up with her right there, and she sees them together and she senses that there's something going on between them. She did not catch them together, no, she just saw them together and she senses that there is something going on between them. So what happened after that was her mother-in-law was like, you should yeah, her mother-in-law warned her. She did. She put some kind of, she basically asked her to stop all this. Yeah, she did. And The Chinese immigrant girl, she immediately stopped it, She did. She gave him his lighter back. It is such a beautiful movie. Go and watch it. Go and watch it. It's like it's so beautiful visually that I love how they have put it together, and I also love the music. Yeah, yes. I love the music of this movie. Um so the Chinese immigrant girl immediately, like, she like cuts him off immediately. She's like, she I genuinely, I found that so cool. I was like, no, like, as a character very cool, and not like, not as a person, but like as a character, like, damn, like, whoa. And hmm he so he was using her as a like escapism, and she was also using him as an outlet. So what happens is he crumbles completely, because he crumbles completely. I don't think he loves her. No, he does not love her, because he goes ahead and he gets intimate with his wife. Do you all have any emotion? Just, yeah, just he gets intimate with his wife, and he had his own issues. He was not in love with her. He was just using her, and they have tried to show it very romantically. Acha, though I can see the truth, buddy. If a guy loves you, actually, genuinely, he would never, and I mean it, he would never do anything to hurt you, no. Because it would hurt him. I think it's not just a guy thing or a girl thing. I think it's a person thing. I think when one person actually genuinely loves another person, so they cannot hurt that person. They would get hurt in the process. Yeah. Because it's a two-way thing. So it's like I can't hurt you because I will get hurt. It's that. And mm, what I don't understand now is that the husband of the Chinese immigrant girl, I think he knew about it. I think he knew about their affair. And he was still so chill about it. I don't know, I don't know why I feel that. I think he knew. Hmm. And the second character from age restricted. Okay, this character that I talked about, this Chinese immigrant girl. So she is from Obsessed movie 2014. Now the other character of an age restricted movie that I really really love is